Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to equip multiple face accessories on Roblox. So guys, first of all you have to open browser and just go to roblox.com. It will take you to the roblox.com. Here you have to click on this menu button over here and go to avatar. And now if I go to this accessories and face accessories, and as you can see I have only two accessories. If I'm trying to select both of them, it doesn't work. So I'll show you how can you select uh, multiple ones. So first of all guys, you have to right click on the new accessories that you want to wear, copy the link address, fine, and open a new tab, paste it over here, sorry, paste it over here, and just copy this asset ID from the URL, copy this number, is the asset ID, and go back to avatar page and click on advanced link over here and just paste your asset ID, click on paste and click on save button and save again. Your both accessories will be selected. So this is how you can select multiple accessories. If you have multiple ones, you can repeat the same steps. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.